Okay, we're back po sa ating gaming test with the Infinix GT30 5G and we are playing Wuthering Waves po dito po sa ating smartphone. Just to give you a heads up, ito po ay naka MediaTek Dimensity 7400 with 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gig po of storage. And now we are now checking po doon sa ating settings po. And as you can see po, balance po siya by default at inakit po natin siya into high settings and then 40 FPS. So just to give you a quick notice lang po, gaya po nung sinasabi po ng iba, dapat daw po ay nire-reset ko po or parang tina-turn off ko po yung app then trying to launch it again. So yun po ang ginagawa ko naman din after po palitan po nung graphic settings ay in-off ko po yung app. So right now we are checking po yung ating gameplay with the Wuthering Waves right now. Again, we are now playing high settings at 40 FPS. So right now po, as you can see dito po sa ating gameplay, actually wala po siyang sound medyo umuulan kaya yan. So I just turned it off po. But we are just having this right now. And for what I can see naman po, medyo stable siya. Meron pong konting, sabihin na po nating lag frames po dito, especially pag marami na pong artifacts na gumagana po dito. But if you want po to go with 60 FPS, medyo dun po siya talaga maglalag. If you want po to go 60, medyo babaan po natin yung graphics natin. Maybe try to go with balance settings. But if you want po ng medyo magandang graphics na medyo hindi choppy, high settings at 40 FPS, yung para sa akin medyo stable. But let me know po kung ano po gusto niyo pong i-check pa dito or meron tayong tatry na papalitan sa ating gameplay po with Wuthering Waves, and I'm open naman po for suggestions here. And as you can see, watching the gameplay naman po dito, it's working fine naman po. So if you have any questions po, comment down below po. And if you want to get the Infinix GT30 5G, you can check na lang po yung ating product link sa video po na ito.